Alright guys, today we got a 2019 Traverse. We have a oil pressure sensor leaking. The part number is going to be 96985635. This is the part. Oil cylinder, oil pressure switch. And it is above the AC compressor and beside the oil filter housing. I already took out the oil filter because you get a little one more access. Getting that pressure switch off, you got a clip. I found the easiest way is to take a pick and get that little white tab, pull that up first, and then you can pinch it with your thumb. So I'm just removing it. These are kind of famous for leaking from the front oil pressure switch. So what you need is a 24 millimeter socket with a short extension and 3/8 drive, and you can get enough room in there to ratchet it loose. So that's what I'm doing now. It's pretty tight, but you can do it. Everything is very slippery with all this oil. You can do it without taking the oil filter off, but I mean, you got really limited access. Here, at least you can see a little better what you're doing. Of course, it keeps falling off. Almost got it though.